Your name, sir?
Michael Horn.
All right, what are we doing?
Yeah, we're asking this matter be set for exam.
Discovery complete.
Yes, Sean.
People, other witnesses available the 25th?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Would people have their witnesses available the 25th?
We'll try, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, March 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Moore.
May I address bond?
You may.
Yeah, this case was reissued after a dismissal. Do not see any objective reason why the bond should be so high, $500,000. Believe there's any witness or concrete evidence that my client fired any shots, or is there any witness or concrete evidence that my client was the driver of a car in which shots were fired from? Understand that we're going to have a preliminary examination in this matter, but from all the hours of body camera footage that I was able to review, witness statements, and I know cases can be made by circumstantial evidence, Your Honor, but I don't even see it circumstantially here. And when looking at my client's youthfulness, I don't think he's a flight risk. He has family in the courtroom, his grandfather, his girlfriend, his child. I think the court can look at a lot less restrictive means, house arrest, tether, to ensure the safety of the community and that he will not flee, Your Honor. But do not think that my client is a flight risk. And without concrete evidence that he fired shots at anybody or drove a car knowing that shots were going to be fired at anybody, I don't see how he's a danger to the public, Your Honor.
When you say it was dismissed, I mean, it's a reauthorization?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor. When it was up for exam initially, the officer in charge was out of town. So the case was dismissed at defense request and we did refile it.
Got it. Okay. Response.
Your Honor, I do think the bond is appropriately set. We did put in our bond information form that this was a case involving shooting and the potential for shooting at a building. I do think that the facts in the case will be borne out, hopefully, at the preliminary examination to give all of the factual basis for this case. This shooting on Andrea Street is believed to be in retaliation for a different shooting that was related to something else where this defendant was positively identified at that prior one on Knollwood. So we are asking that the court continue the bond and keep that earliest possible preliminary examination date of March 25th.
Yeah, may I respond?
Right.
So it seems to be that the people's theory is that because my client's mother's house was shot up, and he was present when it was shot up, he must be responsible for this other shooting, although no witnesses put him at the scene of that shooting, Your Honor. And I don't think that—
You're saying
at the second shooting. Yep. We will concede that there will be evidence that he was present at home when his mother's house was shot up. But that's it. There's no evidence that he left that location to go shoot up anybody else's house or drove anybody to go do that. And because of that, I don't think a $500,000 cash shooting bond is fair, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Lundy?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, okay. So the first shooting, when did that allegedly take place?
Approximately an hour to hour and a half earlier that night. And
we're not talking days.
It's very close in time, is my understanding, Your Honor.
Okay.
The car involved in the shooting was stopped. The second shooting.
Okay.
Was stopped that night by law enforcement. My client wasn't in the car.
He was not?
No, he was not.
Okay.
But it was, the car was registered to him, Your Honor. That is be a fact that we will be conceding at exam and trial.
Okay. So I'm not jumping to any. The car that was involved in the second shooting belonged to the defendant.
Yes, Your Honor.
That approximately an hour before, correct me, but sometime just shortly before that, the defendant's mother's home was shot up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And Counsel, you said he was present at the home when his mother's house was shot.
He arrived after the house was shot up.
Got it.
He's on body camera, but he's not on body camera leaving in the car that is caught after the second shooting, the shooting we're here for. He's not in the car.
Okay. All right. I got you. I think. All right. Well, what I'm going to do at this time is I'm going to deny the request for the bond reduction. I'm going to leave bond set where it is. We're 10 days out or whatever it is from a preliminary examination. Let all those facts come out and then let Judge Moore make a decision as to proper release.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assistant Public Defender Asa Bashir here on behalf of Mr. Mark Capaldi. I have Mr. Capaldi was his custody status recently changed, I believe, 2 days ago, and I have not been able to be in contact with him. I have not.
Should I let you go on or should I read my note?
Thank you.
What do you want me to do? I mean, I'll let you talk.
Oh, sorry.
He said he's going to be late. He had to jump his vehicle. However, he does say unknown ETA.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the information I have is that I believe he told Community Corrections that both of his cars were stolen. Both?
Both of his cars?
Both.
When?
That's a great question, Your Honor. I don't know.
When did he tell Community Corrections?
I talked with Mr. Joshua Bennett today, and there were some questions about the tether zone and how big it was because the victim is the next door neighbor. I indicated that home confinement might have to work, and Mr. Joshua let me know he may not come today. He claims both of his cars were stolen, and Community Corrections told him to talk to his attorney. So I'm going to ask him.
I'm just trying to figure out. But he's jumping his vehicle.
Right.
So does he have 3 cars?
That's a really good question.
I don't know.
But I know when he's not, which is here. So I'm asking for a warrant.
What? He borrowed a car with a dead battery. Oh, that's all he could get?
Your Honor,
What would you like me to do, Mr. Chair? Since we have conflicting messages.
I will, in light of the, Mr. Capaldi has, contacted the court ahead of time. I would request that we pass this matter and address it, and I can try to look for him.
Are we really just postponing the inevitable?
Alternatively, I would request an adjournment in this matter.
Yeah, thanks. Nice try. You know what? We did this last week with you, didn't we? And the week before. Something with your client.
I will note that.
No, let's see if he has a car.
Okay.
So I'll pass it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I can't wait. Do you think? No.
Assistant Public Defender Asa Bashir on behalf of Mark Capaldi, who is here.
State your name.
Mark Capaldi.
This is a miracle. So let me
More than a miracle.
So, all right, he's here. I had faith in you. I don't know what all these other people.
I had none. I was losing. I lost all faith.
Well, no, you contacted the court. You told us you'd be running late. You're trying to get a jump. You got here. That's important.
Hey, just came to see you.
It's great to see me. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. Did an adjournment of this?
For putting my file to the side, and
Pardon?
thank you for waiting for me to put the file to the side.
Not a problem. You think that young lady next to you, she's that got me to do that. So 4 weeks, you think? for the information?
Yes, yeah, thank you, Your Honor. 4-week adjournment requested.
Probable cause conference, April 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you, sir.
All right, thank you. I don't know. Ashley? All right. I'm now going back and stand in recess, I think. All right, court's in recess.
All right.